Do I bring it over here first?
Yeah.
Okay. So, this was one of the things that was in the office from my father-in-law. And this was sitting right behind his desk that only he could reach.
And what is that?
This is a double-barreled shotgun. It's an antique. It's super, super heavy. This was sitting in his office. Customers would go in his office, out of his office, and this was always sitting there. I guess in case of trouble, but who knows? Maybe it was just a warning not to piss him off. I don't know. I didn't want to piss him off. He was kind of a scary guy. But anyway, I now have the shotgun, which I find to be funny and ironic, and it's like 30 years later, and I have the shotgun sitting here, although I do keep it in my closet. And I don't have any bullets.